Pekingese. He's a Pekingese. Pekingese. A Pekingese. He's a happy boy. Good boy. He's a good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Yeah. He's a good boy. Where's a good boy? Where's a good boy? So I will leave you guys here. Where even are you? So I will leave you guys here. Did you see that? I can't believe I got it on camera. Didn't just look after my dog. Guys, I'll be right back. Look after this cutie poo. Where are you? I'll be right back, guys. How on earth can you guys see him? Hang on, guys. I think I got a plan. So I just go take a bucket. It's not like snack bucket. So this. I mean to say no snacks in, but seems she doesn't want to listen. Listen. Sorry, guys. No. Okay, so I will leave you guys. Gizmo, come here. So come here. Come. So I will watch. Do you guys see what I see? What is even doing? Oh, hell yes, that's a very great picture. Ah, super light was in the way. Darn it, man. But look. Okay, what is even doing, God? Bro, what are you doing? Where is he? Can you see one? Look. Gizmo, do you want some snacks? Do you want treat? Come get. What the frick is that? Fina, do you want to get treat? Come get treat. You want treat? The dog wants snack. Do you know what snack is? Snack is treat is snack. Want snack? There you go. Snack for you. And a snack for my dog Mickey. Oh, wait, what a Mickey! Snacky, sister. Okay.